Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie and I'd like to welcome you to the unboxing of a brand new collection from FabScraps. Now when you get the collection, it comes in a white hardboard box like this with a black ribbon, and the contents I'm going to show you in just a moment. Details of how to order are available on my blog and I shall put a link underneath as well. Now FabScraps have slightly changed the content in a Fab box, and basically you get a lot more. Now it's very exciting today because I haven't seen what I've got basically. I've just unpacked it and there it is in the black tissue. That's how it comes to you, and I can't wait to show you. Now the collection is called Family Blessings, and for anybody needing the number, it's C121. So without further ado, let's open our parcel. And it is very exciting, and oh, there we go, no going back now. Oh, look at that, that is different, and I've got to say it is a surprise. Wow, look at all these goodies. So this is what you could be getting in your Fab box. I think I'm going to go with the embellishments first because there's so much. Now I'm just going to unwrap them, so let's see what we get. So we've got a tube of clear liquid glue. Wow. We've got 2 rolls of washi tape in gold and silver, sparkly. We've got 2 packets of gorgeous fabric roses. And look at these. We've got some gorgeous metal charms. Can you hear that? So it just proves that the metal. And those are stunning. We've also got rubber stamps. How cool is that? I've got 2 sets. I've got the alphabet and the roses. Now I know there's other sets available to collect, and they're just so beautiful, they really are. So those are the embellishments that you get with the collection. So no more beer board. And I know some of you might be thinking, oh, you like the beer board. I like the beer board, but those embellishments are stunning, they really are. So this is all the papers, and let's have a look, see what we've got. So the first sheet is just for my reference, and that just tells me what there is available. So we've got 2 sticker sheets with beautiful roses on, transparent stickers that you'll be able to use in your card making, your journaling, your scrapbooking. Now these are the extra sheets of cardstock for projects. So these are 8x8 in size like we've had before, and they're all double-sided. Gorgeous colours, absolutely gorgeous colours. Pink, olive and like natural, and again on the back double-sided. So those are the 8x8, and then we've got the patterned cardstock. I'm just going to turn it round, and you get a little bit more cardstock this time. You get 24 sheets instead of 16, and I've got to say again they are double-sided. So this is our first sheet, and this is called Circle of Love, and you can see the gorgeous clock face and Home Sweet Home. How good would that look just framed? That really would. Double-sided, so you've got the best of both worlds. All the sheets are double-sided. The second sheet is Heaven on Earth. Lots and lots of gorgeous roses, and the back of it is a gorgeous wood panel effect. Beautiful, beautiful colours. The next sheet is called Family Ties. Look how gorgeous that is for your decoupage, with the gorgeous flowers at the bottom. Double-sided, beautiful frames. Absolutely stunning. Don't forget, this is the first time I'm seeing these as well, so it's all so exciting. So this is called It Runs in the Family. And you might be wondering how I know what each sheet's called, because it tells me at the top. So this is It Runs in the Family. Beautiful border. Can you imagine making a wedding album with this? And this is double-sided with borders, live, laugh, love, butterflies, more roses. So pretty. So there's 2 sheets of each of the cardstock. It's a good weight. And I'm going to give it the wobble factor. So if you can hear that. This is called Together in Harmony, with the beautiful, gorgeous flowers and the hearts flowing over the jug. Double-sided again with the gorgeous hearts. 2 sheets of those. Next we've got Tailor-Made Family with just smaller roses on this one. Double-sided. Oh, that's beautiful. With the roses going up the clock. Oh, stunning. I'm going to have such fun bringing you some gorgeous tutorials. Gorgeous decoupage sheets called Family Time. Again, double-sided if you don't want to use them as decoupage sheets. Look how beautiful the flowers are. The corners, and a wedding album will just be stunning in this. Next, we've got our sentiments and borders. So these say, live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words. We've got a real funny one here. If you hurt my friend, I can make your death look like an accident. Good friends are like butterflies. You don't always see them, but you know they're there. Circle of love. That is so beautiful, is that? Open happiness. Family, a gift that lasts forever. So it's double-sided and 2 sheets. Next, we've got Bless Our Nest. Yep, Bless Our Nest. How beautiful is that? Double-sided. Oh, that's a beauty. 2 sheets. And then we've got Thoughts of Home. Oh, they're just so stunning. You see how they go together? Top corner, bottom corner. You could do a gorgeous double page spread. And look at the little gems that are on the page. They're flat, they're not raised, but they look like they could be. Double-sided, 2 sheets again. And lastly, it's not last but one maybe. Work in progress. How gorgeous is that? You can just imagine putting a photo underneath there, decoupaging the roses on from the second page, and your page would be finished. It's so little work. Double-sided with a gorgeous stripe. Absolutely stunning. And this is the last one, and this is called Happiness is Homemade. So we've got 4 of the smaller circles, like the previous one, and a gorgeous self pattern on the back. And those are the cardstock sheets. How beautiful are those? They really are. Absolutely stunning. Stunning quality and stunning patterns and designs. I think you are really going to like the new collections. FabScraps have gone all out on bringing you such gorgeous, gorgeous designs and embellishments, because let's not forget all the embellishments that you get as well now. And you can do so much more with your embellishments, and they've even thought of adding the glue, so you don't have to rummage around looking for your glue. So all the details for the actual collection are on my blog. Shipping is included worldwide, and it's a great price for what you get. And I'm just trying to show you everything all together so that you can see what you're getting, because there's so much and it's going to be a total pleasure. And you know what, I love showing you the unboxing because I get as surprised as you. So you get all this in your FAB-box, and including shipping wherever you live in the world. So look out for the link and look out for tutorials featuring the Family Blessings collection. Now, I'm actually not here next week. You'll hear about that on Friday. Well, you know, I'll just tell you that I'm not here. So, because I'm having just a little break to catch up with things. And then the following week, we'll be back to normal with tutorials, all being well. So, I just hope that you can wait with bated breath for me to bring you the tutorial in 2 weeks to go with this collection. And then we'll have a few tutorials as we go over the, you know, the weeks after using this collection. But I just can't wait to start cutting into it and thinking, what am I going to make? And then you following along, because it is such a beauty. The colours, the pink and the greens, are just so stunning. And the roses, I am over the moon with this collection. So I know you would be as well. I'll take some photos and check the FabScraps website. Check their pages on Facebook. Check my pages on Facebook. And check my blog, because there'll be more information on there as well. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. And I shall see you next time.